Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use multi-point connection for your earbuds LG TONE Free. So right here we have a first device what connected with the earbuds and also have an application, and the second do not connect it with this earbuds. So on your first device open LG TONE Free application, and of course you need to add this earbuds to the application. Now scroll down and you need to find multipoint and multipairing line. And firstly we need to enable it, so just click at the slider near to it and then go to detailed settings. Now we can pair another devices. So go to the settings on your second device, connected devices, and if you have Android, click pair new device. If you have Apple device, only go to the Bluetooth. And after that you can enter to pairing mode manually by press and hold at this touch areas. So right here we have a dots, this one is touch areas, or you can right here in this menu click at the plus and enter pairing mode. Just enter pairing mode and now we can add it for the second device, so click on it and then click pair. And right now we have two devices connected with this earbuds. You can also add up to 5 devices, and now let's for a test I will add the third device. So I'm going to enter pairing mode and click at this earbuds at my phone. And right here we have one more devices, but as you can see it disconnected from our second device because you can only be connected with 2 devices. I mean, your 2 devices can be connected only with your earbuds. I hope you understand me. So to reconnect it, and I need to disconnect it from my phone. So I can click at the application to disconnect, or I can click on it at the settings. Now I just disconnect it and I can reconnect my Pixel, and as you can see we now have with these 2 devices connection. Also we can delete devices what you don't need, so I don't need this device, I just click delete and here we go. Now if you unpair your earbuds in the settings, you will still have this device right here in the application and you cannot connect to it, so you need to pair it in the settings. And I recommend it to delete it because right now, as you can see, it just eternal connection. Try to connect with this Pixel, but it cannot. So just delete it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!